What if there was a way to make your body stronger, your brain sharper, and your immune system more resilient, all by exposing yourself to extreme temperatures? Sounds a little out there, right? Well, the secret lies in something called shock proteins, and they're your body's secret weapon against serious health issues down the line. These proteins get activated when your body is under controlled stress, like intense heat or extreme cold. And the benefits? They're nothing short of extraordinary. From improving your mental health to reducing inflammation and even helping you sleep better, thermotherapies might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you had. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to safely harness the power of heat and cold to supercharge your health. So, what are thermotherapies and shock proteins? Thermotherapies are all about exposing your body to extreme temperatures, either heat or cold, to trigger biological responses that make you healthier and more resilient. One of the key players in thermotherapy is something called shock proteins. These are specialized proteins that your body produces when it's under stress from temperature extremes. They act like little repair crews for your cells, helping to protect them, fix damage, and make them stronger. For example, when you're in a sauna or a hot bath, your body releases heat shock proteins. These proteins help reduce inflammation, protect your brain, and even lower the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. On the flip side, when you're exposed to extreme cold, your body creates cold shock proteins. These can help your brain detoxify, improve your mood, and even promote weight loss by converting unhealthy white fat into energy-burning brown fat. Think of it like taking your body to the gym, except instead of lifting weights, you're challenging it with heat or cold. The result? A stronger, healthier, more adaptable you. Now, you might be wondering, why would I want to put my body under stress? Isn't stress bad? Well, here's the thing. Not all stress is created equal. Chronic stress, like working long hours or dealing with constant anxiety, can be harmful. But short, controlled doses of stress, like what you experience during thermotherapies, are a completely different story. This kind of stress activates something called hormesis. Hormesis is the process where your body responds to small amounts of stress by becoming stronger and more resilient. It's the same reason why lifting weights makes your muscles grow, or why fasting can improve your metabolism. With thermotherapies, your body learns to adapt to extreme conditions. Your cells become more efficient, your brain becomes more focused, and your immune system becomes tougher. In a way, it's like giving your body a stress test so it can handle future challenges with ease. Let's start with heat. One of the most popular forms of heat therapy is using a sauna. Sitting in a sauna at temperatures above 80 degrees Celsius for just 15 to 20 minutes can have profound effects on your body. When you're exposed to this intense heat, your body starts producing heat shock proteins. These proteins act as chaperones for your cells, helping them to function better and protect against damage. Studies have shown that regular sauna use can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, improve blood circulation, and even boost your lifespan. In fact, people in Scandinavia who sauna regularly live, on average, 10 years longer than those who don't. But what if you don't have access to a sauna? Don't worry. A hot bath can provide similar benefits. Immersing yourself in a hot tub of water, even at lower temperatures, still triggers the production of heat shock proteins. Plus, it's great for relaxing your muscles, reducing stress, and even promoting better sleep. And speaking of sleep, a hot bath before bedtime can help regulate your body temperature, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Now let's talk about the cold. Cold exposure might sound a bit more intimidating, but the benefits are just as impressive. When you expose your body to extreme cold, like jumping into an icy lake or turning your shower to freezing, your body goes into survival mode. This triggers the release of cold shock proteins, which help repair and protect your brain cells. Cold exposure also stimulates the production of myokines, which are anti-inflammatory molecules that promote overall health. But the benefits don't stop there. Cold therapy can boost your metabolism by turning white fat into brown fat, which burns more calories. Improve your mood by reducing levels of glutamate, a neurotransmitter linked to stress and poor mental health. And increase your immune system's ability to fight off infections. If plunging into an icy lake sounds too extreme, you can start small by dialing down the temperature of your shower. Even just 30 seconds of cold water can activate many of these benefits. Want to take it a step further? Try combining heat and cold therapies. In Scandinavian countries, it's common to alternate between a sauna and a cold plunge. The idea is to shock your body with heat, then cool it down rapidly. This back and forth trains your circulatory system, improves blood flow, and gives your body a full spectrum workout. You don't need fancy equipment to do this. You could take a hot bath or shower followed by a quick blast of cold water. It's simple, effective, and something you can do at home. A quick warning though, if you have a heart condition, circulatory issues, or any other health concerns, consult with your doctor before trying thermotherapies. Sudden exposure to extreme temperatures can be risky for some people, so it's always better to be safe. So, how can you start incorporating thermotherapies into your routine? Here are a few simple steps. For heat therapy, use a sauna if you have access to one. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature above 80 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a sauna, take a hot bath for 20 to 30 minutes. The water doesn't need to be scalding, just warm enough to make you sweat. For cold therapy, start with cold showers. Turn the water to the coldest setting for 30 seconds, then gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. If you're feeling adventurous, try cold water immersion. A quick dip in a cold lake or pool can work wonders. Or combine both. Alternate between heat and cold. For example, spend 10 minutes in a sauna, then take a quick cold shower or plunge. Repeat this cycle a few times. Thermotherapies aren't just about toughing it out in a sauna or braving a cold shower. They're about embracing controlled stress to unlock your body's full potential. From reducing inflammation to boosting brain health and even promoting longevity, these simple practices have benefits that are hard to ignore. So why not give it a try? Start small, experiment with what works for you, and see how your body responds. Who knows, the key to a healthier, more resilient you might just be a little heat and a little cold away. Have you tried hot or cold therapies, or both? Which one do you like better? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss tips to prioritize your health. Remember, even small steps can lead to big improvements in your well-being. Stay healthy, stay curious, and take care of yourself.